If you want to make your eBay listings more attractive and professional, adding pictures directly inside the description can really help. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a picture to your eBay description step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to enhance your listings and give buyers more visual details. First, open the eBay website and sign in to your seller account. Once you're logged in, go to My eBay and navigate to the Selling section. Here, find the listing you want to edit and click on Edit or Revise. When the listing editor opens, scroll down to the description box. This is where you write all the details about your product. To add an image inside the description, you'll need to use the built-in editor tools. Look for the image icon in the description toolbar. Click on it, and you'll see options to upload a new image or insert an image using a URL. If you're uploading a new image, select the file from your device and wait for it to upload. Once uploaded, the image will appear inside your description. You can adjust its position, size, and alignment depending on how you want it to look. Make sure the image is clear and relevant to your product. If you're using an image URL, paste the direct link into the provided field and confirm. The image will then be inserted into your description. After adding the image, review your entire description to ensure everything looks clean and well organized. Then scroll down and click the Save or Revise button to apply the changes. Adding images inside your description can help highlight specific features, show close-up details, or provide extra information that might not be visible in the main gallery. In this tutorial, we learned how to add a picture to your eBay description by using the editor tools, uploading or linking images, and saving the updated listing. This simple step can make your listings more engaging and improve buyer confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.